Well, I went to a different part of the lake. It's a lot warmer water here, and I cannot catch any bass. I haven't caught a single bass, nothing but these things. Bottom feeders, big ones, some of them. And they are spitting up mayfly nymphs, believe it or not, mayfly nymphs. That's about a 25 there. You better net him. Measure him up. You don't want to go in the net. There we go. Oh, I missed again. What the heck? There we go. Well, that's a pretty big one. Have to measure him. I guess if I'm going to catch bottom feeders, big ones are better than little ones. Although I did catch a bunch of eaters in one spot, and I kept one. I'm going to eat it. I'll teach him to bite on my bass lures. That's what it bit on there, that little paddle tail. Measure her up. I think it's too big to keep. And 20, ouch, dang gill rakers. 25 right on the nose. Oh, there she goes. Well, I finally caught a bass. Caught 20 fish, no bass. And so I put the anchor down, and I think we got another bass. Back to back. All right. Another nice one too. Last one was 18 inches. This is probably 17. What a dandy though, huh? On the windy side of this island, they're not up shallow, the bass. The walleyes are up shallow and the others are up shallow. The bass are in about 12 foot. If I can get them. Here they come. Same old tail. Put her back. See if I can't do much more. This one just gave a tremendous jump. Oh, and he gave another one. Thank you, fish. Well, they're moving up shallow finally. That's a nice one there. I'm in throwing up a couple feet of water. I'm anchored in 6, so this is the second one I caught on this X-Rap. He's ornery. I don't want to get these hooks in my hand. Well, I'm going to have to use a net pretty soon. He's hook funny. There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a beauty on the old X-Rap. And of course, I bumped the button and the anchor drifted. So I'm heading for the shore to get out of here. That's probably an 18-incher here. I'll get him off and let her go. I had a big one blow up on the topwater and miss it. So I threw a real light jig head in there. So I'm guessing it's going to be a bass. Oh no, it's a northern. Biggest one of the day, but I'm sure he'll bite me off. He's probably 28-incher. I was sure hoping that was a bass. Oh, there he goes. There goes my jig. I knew it. Getting late in the day. I'm going to have to quit. Oh, and that was a big bass too. Doggone it. Well, that last one got off. Let's see if I can get this one in so I can see him better. I think it's a little tight. Yeah, share a little bass and catch this little guy. Oh well.